welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so amazing. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Consider subscribing. Also turn on the bell notification so that you will be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes, today guys, we'll be doing juice with me video. So we'll be juicing immune system booster juice today. Guys, you will not believe what I used in this recipe. So you better stay tuned to the end and enjoy the video. And also remember to share out the video to your family and friends, because the situation of the world right now, this is the type of juice we need to be drinking every day before you go out or whenever you come back home. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video, okay? Feel free to add or reduce the quantity of the fruit you are using. I'll be using some oranges, ginger, garlic, carrots, turmeric, apple and lemon. You can go ahead and use lime if that's what you prefer. So the first thing I'll be doing now is to wash my fruit. I'll be using sponge. The hardest side of my sponge is what I'll be using, and I will add a little bit of salt to it. I will wash it twice before I will go on and start blending it. I will not be removing the back of the oranges, but you can go ahead and remove the back of yours if you want. You can peel your oranges, but I'll be juicing mine like this. Here, before I forget, after juicing this, you can store it in your fridge for up to 2 weeks and the taste will still be intact. This fruit you are seeing here will give me at least 2 liters of juice. I wanted to do ASMR, but Munachinsaga will not allow me. He'll be there making noise. So I on television for him. I don't even know that the television sound is even coming out in my video, but I leave it like that. Just enjoy the small ASMR and watch till the end. I decided to back him as well, otherwise we will not finish this video today. So guys, let's get right into the video. Grab your popcorn, grab your coke, sit down and let's juice together. If you don't have a juicer, remember you can always juice with your blender, your regular blender, and later sieve it with any sieve cloth you have. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching.